you can qualify to receive a free Family First pack. This pack will provide you with a fire suppression blanket. Well known in European countries as the first line of defense for grease fires, the blanket gives you a fire-retardant fiberglass cover to suppress a fire on your stove. Simply deploy the blanket, use it for protection from the heat, and cover the flames. Turn off the heat and wait for the cool down. No mess and safe. If your fire is too big for a blanket, you will need a fire extinguisher. This pack will give you 2 quality, all-metal construction, ABC dry chemical extinguishers rated for wood, trash, paper, flammable liquids, and electrical fires. These extinguishers employ a special siliconized additive that prevents packing and won't conduct electricity. The metal trigger and nozzle are more reliable than the plastic models found in stores. Simply pull the pin, aim at the base of the fire, and squeeze the trigger while sweeping side to side. It's easy, just remember, pass. Finally, the Family First pack will give you a burn kit. Each kit includes Burn Free. Used by the military and EMS along with burn hospitals, this revolutionary gel removes the heat from burns, providing immediate healing and pain relief. With a Family First pack and a practice escape plan with a meeting spot, your family will be prepared for the panicked moments that can make the difference in life and death.